going to get real close here so you can hear this. That's the Powertech. You can see its fan is blowing the grass, you might call it, the weeds down there. That'll give you how close I am. That's got 3 air conditioners running and the microwave. So I'm practically right on top of it. Standing this far away from 2 Hondas that are running using the microwave and the coffee pot. That's all they're using over there. Now you tell me which one's the loudest. Now if I get the same distance away from here that I'm to the Hondas, see what that sounds like. I still hear the Hondas over the Powertech.